Scott Lanningham at Interconnect 2016. Right now I'm joined by Santosh Soni, who is Senior Vice President for Software Services Group with Miracle Software Systems. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Good to have you here today. Soni, I wonder if you could tell us about Miracle Software Systems. What's the space that you all work in? What are you all about?
Absolutely. So Miracle Software System is a 20-year-old company. We have been with IBM for past 15 years as Premier Business Partner, and we have got various awards with IBM in SOI space, in middleware leadership. So we have been working with IBM, and our space was more on system integration. That's where we start our journey. And we covered automotive industry, logistics. And then the way market is changing from past 5-6 years, we are one of the premier partners, or we are one of the partners who are really looking at how we align ourselves with the market challenges.
Okay.
So when it comes to IoT, DevOps, hybrid cloud, those are the areas that we start looking at from past 4-5 years. And the way we call ourselves is we are one of the partners, or we are one of the company who can really help our customers to take end-to-end journey for digital transformation.
Okay.
And one thing we are feeling very proud of is the thought leadership that we are bringing through our company, making sure customer understand that this journey is never-ending journey, but we have to start at a point, we have to make some changes, we have to align to the market demands,
right,
customer demands, and that's where we shine. And those are the areas we are covering.
It's a very competitive space that you're in. And
absolutely.
so how do you, and you're doing a lot, so how do you differentiate yourself from all that competition?
Yeah, so one biggest differentiator for us is able to understand customer needs. And how do you understand that is by listening to them.
Okay.
And as you're right, it's a very competitive market. Everyone is talking about urban code, soft layer, and customer gets confused, what should I do? And that's where we come into picture because of our experience in past 20 years in various spaces, whether it's retail, healthcare,
okay,
automotive. We are able to understand those touch points. And we are able to tell customers, this is the journey you need to take, and we are able to set that roadmap for them.
Okay.
And then we are using our IBM value to align what tool sets, what technology, when and how you need to do that. And that has been really a big differentiator for us, because once customer understands what they need to do, one business understands what they need to do, and person or company who has helped them out, they're reaching out to us.
Okay.
And that is helping us, and obviously IBM, to take that business and make sure we are able to cater to their needs.
So the breadth of your experience as well as how you take care of relationships.
Absolutely.
Is what it's all about.
Absolutely.
So what are you doing here at Interconnect? What are your special activities here this year?
This has been fun. I just came from Partner World and landed here. There's so many things we are doing. We are diamond sponsor for the event.
Okay.
We actually did a really neat and cool stuff to help our customers. We had one day whole day workshop. We call it pre-interconnect workshop, where we are educating and giving real case scenarios, how to connect your Raspberry Pi IoT in Bluemix, and once you are connected, how you get data out of that, cloud, other stuff, and then how do you put API on top of that to see the results. So that was a big hit for us, and we are so glad we did that. And today and next few days, we might be the only one who has different real-time scenarios. So we have a sensor, and it takes the temperature, puts in the cloud. You're able to see real-time analytics, how much CPU is getting heated up. And this gives them an idea, our customers, hey, this is how it works. Now, when they see it really working, that makes a big difference. We have a sentimental analysis coming from IBM Interconnect, how things are moving. And based on that, we are changing colors of light. So this covers, again, the whole scenario and makes our customer understand, this is what IBM is about. This is what Bluemix is about. This is how our analytics or Watson is helping us out. And obviously, we are here to make sure we are able to convey the same message to our customers. Yes, hybrid cloud is not new, but cloud is going to enable you. It's not your destination. And I'm really excited, and we are doing 4 speaker sessions. So again, we are trying to cover our customer base so that they understand. So we are doing digital experience.
Okay.
we are doing soft layer, how it can really help you. And I know we may say it's outdated, but customer still wants to know what soft layer is. I have thousands of servers. How soft layer is really going to help me? How they will come to know that soft layer has added 4 new data centers.
Yeah.
So we are making sure all that information is flowing back to customer, and I'm pretty confident this is going to be a big win for IBM and for us.
I think so too, and clearly you're helping to tell that story, which
Yes.
is so powerful. You know, isn't it interesting to think about years ago, we used to come to these things and it was more about the individual pieces of technology, this software application, that one. Now it is really about how it all works to
Absolutely.
make the business more effective, isn't
And
it?
I think you really touched that point. Earlier, it was more about, I'm in this space, I am going to talk about business process management, or I'm going to talk about integration. The API management, the API economy, how customers are leveraging that, how IBM is helping them out. And they are able to see that end-to-end connection, all the touch points, is phenomenal. And I think that is helping our industry. Absolutely, IBM is doing a great job, and we are really happy to be pioneer and ambassador for that. Another thing I would like to mention, if you don't mind, the way IBM is embracing all the open source technology. How we are educating our customers that, hey, Docker, how Docker is going to be useful to them, and by the way, IBM have full support.
Right.
How CloudFront works for them, right? How Bluemix has different platforms which are coming from open source, OpenStack. So this is really phenomenal. We are able to cater just not to customers, but to our developer community too, because they love that. And I think that's where IBM is making a huge difference. And what we are doing as a miracle, we are making sure we are ready. And we are ready to serve our customers, and we are ready to make sure we are able to help them to put that roadmap and that path that they maybe a little bit anxiety is there today. And as you said, able to connect the dots and show them the big picture.
A lot of announcements here at Interconnect around the open community.
Yeah.
I wonder if you could close, we're about out of time, but just with a short thought about the value of working with IBM. What does that bring to you as a company?
Absolutely. For me, IBM has been phenomenal. Personally, I've been working on IBM technology and on IBM stack from past 17, 18 years. I say I bleed blue. But IBM is, I will say, the only company who really takes care of their business partners. And one of the common goal for IBM and business partners is how to educate our customers. It's not about selling, it's about how to make them take this journey. And I think that's where IBM is helping us to make sure we have access to their sales academy, we have access to technical people, we have access to their labs. I don't think anyone in the world can give those kind of capabilities business partner. And we are enabled to talk to our customers, hey, this is how you're going to win. And frankly, this is a win-win situation for customers, for business partners like us, and IBM. And again, I'm so glad that we are business partners and IBM is really growing this community.
Santosh, Soni, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Beautifully put at the end there, and a great conversation with you. Exciting to hear about Miracle Software Systems.
Thank you, it's my pleasure.
Again, Santosh Soni is Senior Vice President for Software Services Group with Miracle Software Systems. I'm Scott Lanningham, and we're IBM.